my name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and excited for today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you 4 DIYs that I made using Dollar Tree items, and oh my god, I love how all they turned out, and especially one I made some really cute stocking holders, and I love how they turned out, and I hope that you like them too. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. And guys, remember to follow me on all my social media pages and my webpage and my other channel, Jazomy Home. Hopefully soon we're going to be uploading a new video for you guys that is going to be so cool and so much fun. So make sure that you are subscribed to my other channel, Jazomy Home. All the links are in the description box of this video. And yeah, let's get started with this fun and creative video.
For this project, I will be using this wood star sign from Dollar Tree, and I will also be using burlap fabric. And I get this burlap fabric at Walmart, and you can find it in the floral section and also in the Christmas section for a very good price. If I found something at Amazon, I'm also going to leave the link in the description box. And what I did was to place this star on the top of the burlap fabric to be able to trace the shape of the star and then cut it out. And I'm going to be cutting the burlap star about ½ an inch smaller. From there, I just have to glue my burlap fabric to the wood sign using a little bit of hot glue and just taking care not to burn my fingers. To decorate my sign a little bit, I'm going to be gluing 2 of these artificial cypress peaks to the top of my star, and then I'm also going to be adding a very small bow that I made with pieces of ribbon in neutral tones, and I think that this ribbon that I use is from Hobby Lobby. I have these 2 white bells that have an enamel look that I made in another previous project, and I decided to hang them in 2 different levels with a piece of twine on the top of the star. In order to hang my sign, I decided to place a piece of ribbon on the back with hot glue so that it can hang my sign from any door or a window, or you can also incorporate this sign into a nice Christmas wreath. Guys, this will be the result of this project, and it was super easy to do and looks beautiful, and I think it's perfect for these holidays and all winter season. For the next project, I'm going to be using more of these burlap fabric, and I'm going to be cutting a square about 16 by 16 inches large. Now that I have my burlap square piece, I will be gluing it in the center on top of this pillow cover that I have. This pillow cover is like a cream color, and yeah, I'm going to be sticking the burlap fabric with normal hot glue, but you can also use hot glue for fabric, and I think that will be a better option. guys, this pillow cover is of an excellent quality and it is perfect for customizing it and making a unique throw pillow cover. And I bought it in a set of 2 from Amazon at an amazing price. So in the description of this video you can find the link of this product. Now, to add a Christmas touch to my throw pillow cover, I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree kitchen towel, and I love the pattern of lines that it has. So I'm going to be using that space to draw a Christmas tree, and then I'm going to cut it out. You can cut a Christmas tree or any shape, and I decided to use this sign from Dollar Tree to be able to draw a really nice and cute Christmas tree shape. Once that I had the Christmas tree cut it out, I'm going to glue it to the center of the pillow cover with hot glue. And like I said, you can use hot glue or you can use a fabric glue. I decided to make a bow out of a piece of Dollar Tree nautical rope, and then I glue it on the top of the Christmas tree just to give it a nice detail. Finally, you just have to add the pillow insert inside of your cover, and I also bought this pillow insert from Amazon and I love them. They come in a set of 2 for an amazing price, and also I left the link in the description box. And yeah, this will be the result of this project, and I love how it looks in neutral colors. But remember that you can make maybe the Christmas tree in a different fabric or in a different color that match with your holiday decor for this year. For the next project, I'm going to be using a glass cylinder vase that you can get it in Dollar Tree, and I want to cover this vase and make it a little bit different. And you can use this type of material, which is like a woven cane that these type of hats and purses from Dollar Tree have. But I'm actually going to be using this type of bag for wines that I got in a thrift store, and I'm going to be cutting this piece to be able to stick it to my cylinder vase with hot glue and cover it completely. On the top, instead of cutting the edge, I decide to fold it inside the vase and add a little glue. To add some color to this piece, I'm going to be gluing 2 pieces of a red ribbon that I had to each end of the vase. Okay, finally you can put any branch or holiday bush that you have at home, and I decided to put some pine picks and lamb's ear from Walmart, and also some berry branches from Dollar Tree to add another red top, and that pops out from the greens and neutral colors. This next project is one of my favorites, and first I'm going to prepare the paint that I'm going to be using, and the colors that I decide to use are white and hazelnut. I'm going to be placing the paint in 2 different plates, and I need to make the paint a little bit thicker to give my project some texture. So for that you must add baking soda to the paint and then mix it. Now that the paint is ready, I'm going to start painting these 2 boxes that I get from Dollar Tree, and I think they have them in 3 different sizes, and these ones are the small one and the large one. The base color is going to be white, and I'm going to give it 2 coats of paint so that it covers well and gives each box more texture. Between each coat, you must make sure that the paint dries well, and for that I always use my heat tool because it does the process like 10 times faster. And of course, I get this from Amazon, and you can find the link in the description box. After 2 coats of paint, this is how the texture will look on each of the boxes, and I love it. Now it is time to highlight that texture with some hazelnut paint and a brush, and you want to add just a little paint to the brush and then paint the boxes, creating like a dry brush technique. And you want to make sure that you are highlighting the edges to give more dimension to the houses. Once the paint dries, this is what these boxes will look like, and I love them. And I have the idea of turning them into stocking holders. So for that, I'm going to be placing these Dollar Tree stocking holders inside of the boxes, and you need to make a small hole on the boxes on the bottom part, so that the metal piece that holds the stockings is the only thing that you can see coming out from the boxes. Guys, I did the same with the small box, and remember that you can place some hot glue inside of the boxes just to make sure that the ceramic piece is going to stick stronger to the box. And also you can touch up the paint in case the box get a little bit damaged when you was trying to put the stocking holders inside of the box. From there, it is time to give details to our boxes, and the first thing that I want to do is to make 2 small signs with popsicle sticks, and I cut the edges of each popsicle stick just to give it a nice touch. Then I decide to paint these mini signs with some Waverly chalk paint in mineral color, and then I add some hazelnut paint to the edges to add dimension to the signs. You can use any marker and write it by hand, or use any sticker or your Cricut and write Merry Christmas to each sign in red color that will pop out of the project. From there, you can place a small piece of ribbon to each sign on the back side, and this is perfect to be able to hang them from the boxes. Now you can stick greenery on top of each box, or maybe you can stick any berries or branches, pine cones, or any bowl that you have to give it a nice touch. Once you're finished, you can place your house stocking holders on your mantle or on any surface, and you can hang your stockings. And I love how these projects turn out. I spent less than $5 between the two stocking holders, and I love how they look, and they look super expensive and with a high-end look, but they are budget friendly to make, and I love that. And I think this is a very creative DIY and a unique piece that you can have at home, and I hope that you like it. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and let me know in the comments which of these projects was your favorite. I think mine were the stocking holders, of course, and maybe the throw pillow cover. I don't know, let me know which one is your favorite, and remember to be subscribed to my channel, hit the bell, and share this video with friends and family. And also remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my other YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. Hopefully soon we are going to be uploading a new video, so make sure that you are subscribed to Jazomy Home channel. All the links are in the description box. And yeah, love you so much, and see you on my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.